Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with a brand new video for you guys once again. And today we're actually going to be unboxing the GoPro HERO Pro 9 in black. Now, this is a camera that I thought I would never go ahead and pick up, but I needed a new camera for, overhead shots, because as of right now, I'm currently using my iPhone 12 Pro, and I'm just like, I kind of want to get something very small. I got this big old rig that's, dangling right here. My phone is like literally right here, and it's like, I don't want to use it anymore. I want to use something that's, something a little bit like that. So the reason I really picked up the GoPro HERO Pro is because it comes in 5K resolution, and that's 5K resolution, 30 frames per second. It also has the capability of doing 4K in 60 frames per second. So I'm like, it's a win-win right there for me. So I don't really plan on using it for photography, because I don't think you really can, because this is a camera that, you pretty much just point at, I won't say point, but you really use this for video recording when you're out doing, risky adventures like skateboarding, skydiving, swimming, diving, etc, etc. So this really is a camera that, it's like, should have really, like a tech YouTuber really buy it just because they want an overhead? Should I have bought something different? Ideally, in my opinion, yes, I should have bought something different. I really wanted to put my Canon up here instead of buy me a Sony a7 III, but the way the Sony priced that camera, it's gonna take me a minute, man. It's gonna take me a minute. I don't want to spend $3,000 on the camera just yet. So anyway, you guys, let's go and get straight into the unboxing portion of this video, and let's see what we got. Let's go. All right, you guys, so starting off with this portion of the video, we're gonna go down and speak about some specs. So this GoPro HERO Pro 9 right here, it comes with 20 megapixels for the sensor size itself. That is astonishing right there and there, just because, it's a very small camera. I really wouldn't, imagine this little thing, coming with that many sensors in it as well. Like I said, it also records in 5K, 30 frames per second, 4K, 60 frames per second as well, and it also has 1080p and 240 frames per second. So, you can also live stream from this camera. You can go 33 feet, I believe, underwater or something like that. I don't know about the water because I don't swim at all. Pass on that. This right here is also voice control. It also has the 8x slow-mo. So, when you're doing them slow motion shots, I'm pretty sure that this right here is gonna be a game changer right here, man. Definitely gonna be a game changer. There's a lot of other stuff on here that I'm really not gonna be looking forward into, just because I plan on using this for, up and down. Some other things right here is it does show on here on the box, just to show 1080p live stream. It has data overlays, time warp 3.0. It shoots in RAW. That way we can get more data from our pictures and videos, so we can edit it better in Lightroom or whatever software you do use. It also is touchscreen. It also has a webcam mode, and it's, probably super photo plus HDR, like I already said. Anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get this video started. We're gonna unbox it right now. That was just specs. Just wanted to read those over to you guys, but let's go ahead and see what we got in here, man. So it looks like we got just like a little pull tab. Let's go ahead and pull that bad boy open right quick. Open that up. It's a cool little thing. It looks like it came with its own case. So I do know previously in the past they did state that GoPro, instead of sending people a case, they actually sent them like a box like this. So now we get, our own traveling case with it, and it's crazy. I was actually about to buy me a case, but I'm happy that I don't need to buy it anymore. So it's a good thing right there. Let's go ahead and unzip it. Okay. Man, I thought this was white. I'm like, it says black, but it's just it's just a thing on the side. So this right here is the GoPro HERO 9 itself right here. It's very small and compact. Here goes that big old LED screen that we were talking about as well. Show you guys that, in the front camera or whatever. You can see all that good stuff right there. So this is also touchscreen. Then it also comes with a smaller camera on the front. So you know how standard DSLR and mirrorless cameras, and probably the point and shoot cameras as well, they come with a flip out screen. Like on the Canon, I got one right here. So on the side, this has one on the front, so you don't need this. So if you are using this just to straight up record like this, you would be able to see yourself, exactly what you're doing to make sure you're in shot. So that's a good thing about the GoPro right there. And then it also looks like it's going to be USB-C charged as well. So that's one of the other pros about this. We're in the USB-C game, so might as well keep it up. I'm happy. Thank you, GoPro, because I was like, I ain't got no more micro or mini USBs, whatever the heck they want to call them. I need this right here. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And it also looks like we got one GoPro battery in here. I'm not for sure what the battery life is on here just yet, but I guess we need to go ahead and let's go ahead and read these documents and see if we got us something in here. It looks like we got us some stickers too. These are some nice bold stickers and very vibrant. Let's see, what is the battery life on this GoPro? I don't think that they showed, tell us what the, yeah, they don't tell us what the battery life is. So that is okay. But we will figure out what exactly the battery life is somewhere. I'll put it down one of the, you know, down here, down there, probably up here, who knows. We'll put it somewhere in the video. But anyway, so we got the GoPro, then we got the, oh God, we got the battery itself, and then it also looks like we have an adapter. So this adapter right here is going to be used, let's say for instance, if you have, it's like, this will change out the certain bezels for it as well. It's going to be like the little small adapter that we can go ahead and use. I got to fix my autofocus, man. I really do, like, I got to fix it one day. Anyway, this right here, we're going to just attach it to the bottom of the GoPro, and it should be able to attach like some small accessories. We even may be able to attach a tripod to it. If not, I got an adapter that I just ordered. So let me go ahead and take this white plastic off of here, and we will see. Or maybe this, what the heck is this? Maybe this is it. I don't know. We got some more stuff in this box, so. Okay, here we go right here. So I believe that we just, yeah, so we just do it like that. So yeah, ideally, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think that this is, I don't know what this is gonna do for me at all. So I'm, yeah, ultimately may just have to go ahead and buy, bro, it's something about this. Anyway, it's something I may have to buy, you know, just to go ahead and attach a, tripod to it, but we'll figure that out for sure, because we're definitely going to need to, like I said, we want to use it for a point to shoot up there. We're going to need to get us something different. So let me go ahead and take this white paper off of here, and this is the bottom of the GoPro itself. I'll show you guys up here. So yeah, I'm quite curious. Like I said, this is my first GoPro, so I'm really not 100% for sure, you know, exactly what I need to do for it, but I'm quite curious to figure out what the heck those two pieces are for. I don't, yeah, it's not magnetic. So let me flip these up right quick. Okay, so that's nothing. Or do I slide this? Dog, this is gonna be one of them times where we really gotta read the manual, honestly. So yeah, we're gonna read the manual, and we're gonna read the manual. We're gonna come back to that though. We're gonna come back to that for sure. Anyway, let's move this to the side right here. Nothing under the box at all. So on the side right here, we do have the battery case. We can go ahead and flip this thing open. I think so. Look, I think we can go flip it over. I think that, yeah, so for a first time camera user, you definitely need to go ahead and read the GoPro manual, because I'm lost. Oh my lord, yo, like for real. Okay, yeah, we're going to be reading our manual very, very shortly, because I can't open this bad boy open. I can't get it open. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take some time to read the manual right quick. All right, y'all, we finally got the case open. It was a tug of war, basically. So yeah, it's very secure, and I realized why, because you can go underwater with this very deep. So it's like a vacuum thing. So you're gonna, yeah, you're probably gonna have some trouble pulling this bad boy out. Anyway, so you go ahead and just pull this tab down right here, and then it should pop up. You gotta use this finger right here though. All right, I'm gonna use my whole hand and see. Yeah, it's kind of hard, man, but I guess it's what you gotta do. Yeah, there you go. So pull it down like on this little tab, and then it just flips open. Let's go to plug the battery in, man, to see how much juice we got in here. Let's see, where's the, so yep, just go in right there, close that tab right quick. Let's move this out the way. All right, cool. So now we got that all out the way. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks when it boots. Hello. Okay, cool. So the GoPro is on. Show you guys that right there. It's a nice little thing. All right, cool. So we got the GoPro turned on officially. Let me go ahead and, I just got to go ahead and set everything up. You know, they want me to pick the language and all that good stuff. So dang, the battery only got 20% in here as well. So yeah, we definitely can't do anything at all. Now, one other thing as well about this too is that when you do have a GoPro, you cannot use a standard camera the camera SD cards. You have to use the micro version of it. So if you do have a standard SD card, you can go ahead and take out that little small one and just apply it in the GoPro itself. But I just want to let everybody know, you know, you can't use that at all. But other than that, man, yeah, I think the GoPro is loud. Oh, I'm like, it's loud, but that's all we got for today's video, you guys. Definitely hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of that GoPro Hero 9. We will be doing another follow-up video just to show you guys, you know, the look of it and the camera quality, 5K, 4K. I don't know if we're gonna do 1080p, but we may do something with 1080p. But if you guys go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, throw some comments down below on what your thoughts about the GoPro, and then maybe you guys will go ahead and see the review of the GoPro officially outside for another vlog. Until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.